Ever wondered what all the buzz around cryptocurrency is about? Well, let's get into it. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency secured via cryptography. It came into existence in 2009 with the launch of Bitcoin, credited to a mysterious entity called Satoshi. The identity of Nakamoto remains unknown, adding a layer of intrigue to the world of cryptocurrency. This anonymous figure or group initiated an entirely new form of currency, completely independent from traditional bank regulations. Cryptocurrencies operate on a platform known as blockchain technology, a system offering a level of security and transparency unprecedented in the financial world. This technology ensures the decentralized character of cryptocurrencies, a revolutionary aspect that changes the way we perceive money. So, now you might be asking, how does cryptocurrency function without a central authority? The key is a groundbreaking technology known as blockchain. Think of it as a digital ledger, where each block of data is linked, forming each block carries transaction details, and once full, is added the chain. This public chain ensures transparency and reduces fraud. But who verifies the transactions? That's where mining comes in. Miners validate transactions, adding them to the blockchain and earn a fee. This system, where data isn't centralized but widely dispersed, maintains the security of cryptocurrency. In essence, blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrency, ensuring its integrity and security. So, what types of cryptocurrencies are out there? Let's explore. First, there's Bitcoin, the pioneer that triggered a crypto revolution with its decentralized design. Then come Ethereum and Litecoin. Ethereum, a platform that enables smart contracts and applications without interference. And Litecoin, known as the silver to Bitcoin's gold for its faster transactions. Yet, these are just a glimpse. An array of other cryptocurrencies exist, each with its own unique features like Ripple's swift international transactions and Monero's privacy emphasis. The crypto universe is truly diverse, teeming with options. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its unique features, making them suitable for different uses. Sounds like a gold mine, right? But what about the risks involved? Cryptocurrencies are volatile. Their value can soar or plummet abruptly. This unpredictability makes investing in them a high-risk venture. Let's not ignore the security. Cryptocurrencies, being digital, are susceptible to hacking and theft. But the potential rewards are colossal. Our anecdotes of early investors who turned minimal investments into fortunes. These stories feed the dreams of every crypto enthusiast. Is it worth the risk? That's for you to decide. Remember, rewards come with risks. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a roller coaster ride filled with highs and lows. So, where is cryptocurrency heading? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Cryptocurrency holds great potential to redefine traditional financial systems significantly. It's not merely digital money, it's about creating a new paradigm of trust and security. However, substantial hurdles exist. Governments worldwide are attempting to grasp how to regulate this emerging frontier. Moreover, there are concerns about the scalability of current systems. The systems need to handle an increasing user base without sacrificing speed or security. The future acceptance of cryptocurrency also plays a vital role. As more people comprehend and adopt it, we might see it infiltrating more aspects of our lives. Indeed, the future of cryptocurrency is as unpredictable as it is exciting. Stay curious, stay informed, and who knows, you might just catch the next big wave in the world of finance.